Everyone, I am Ajay Kumar from Mechanical Second Year, and my topic on hot and cold working process in manufacturing process concept video. Let's start the topic. The ultimate goal of manufacturing is to produce required steel or metal components of required geometrical shape and structurally optimized for a given application. One of the methods is metal forming process. Metal forming processes are used to produce rock products. These products include angles, channels, I-beams, railroad rails, round, square and hexagonal bar stock, sheets and plates, forgings, tubes, pipes, etc. Types of metal forming process are hot working, cold working, extrusion, forging, rolling, bending and spinning. Mainly hot and cold working. The main difference between hot and cold working is that hot working is done at high temperatures while cold working is done at room temperatures. Hot working. The distinction between hot working and cold working does not depend solely on temperature but rather on the processing temperature. When the processing temperature of the mechanical deformation of steel is above the recrystallization temperature, the process is termed as hot working process. Otherwise, it is termed as cold working process. For hot working process, large deformation can be successfully repeated as metal remains soft and ductile. The hardness of metal cannot be controlled after hot rolling. It's a function of chemical composition and the rate of cooling after rolling. The hardness obtained by hot rolling is less comparatively that of obtained by cold rolling. However, most metal will experience some surface oxidation resulting in material loss and poor surface finish. Hot working does not produce strain hardening, hence there will be no increase in either yield strength or hardness. In addition, yield strength will decrease and with increase in temperature and the ductility will improve. When a workpiece is hot worked, the atoms of the workpiece reach a certain higher energy level due to heat and force. As a result, new crystals start forming. This is called recrystallization. These crystals are retain-free. Advantages: higher ductility, that is more deformation without cracking, lower flow stress, that is less mechanical energy required for deformation, and pore seal up. Hot working, the pores will fill with the material while pressing or rolling. Small grain size. The grain size or the deformation will be very low. Stronger, tougher and more ductile compared to cast metals. It is stronger enough because the concentration of the material is very high. Metal that usually fracture in cold working can be hot formed. This is one major advantage. Disadvantages are surface reactions between metal and furnace atmosphere, that is oxidation will become. Hot sharpness, when the working temperature exceeds the melting temperature, the metal flows and the products get damaged. Dimension tolerance is 2 due to thermal expansion at higher temperatures, that is we cannot give specific tolerance. Handling is more difficult directly from furnace to machine as the temperatures don't let us. Next comes the cold working. Cold working metal is shaped by application of pressure at a temperature below recrystallization temperature of the metal. In most cases it is done at room temperature. Cold working is done to achieve closer dimensions and accuracies and to improve mechanical properties. It is often done after hot working to obtain better dimensional control. Due to cold working, this is rectified by making material go through process annealing operation which returns the material to its original state. Better dimensions control than hot working is possible because the reduction in size is not much. Strength and hardness of the material increase, easier handling, contamination problems are minimized, no heating of work required. Disadvantages are higher forces are required to initiate and complete the deformation. Heavier, more powerful and stronger equipments are required. Ductility and strain hardening limit the amount of forming that can be done. Undesirable residual stresses may be produced. The difference is hot working. Above recrystallization temperature, below recrystallization temperature is cold working. Formation of new crystals in hot working, no formation of new crystals in hot working. Surface finish is not good in hot working. Surface finish is very good in cold working. No residual stresses in hot working. In cold working, formation of residual stresses takes place. Less force is required in hot working as the metal is heated, it can be deformed easily. In the cold working, more force is required. And that's all from presentation. Thank you.